Hey, to turn on the Google Assistant on your Android phone, first of all, just be sure that you have the latest version of the Google Assistant application and of the Google app on your phone. Next, you will have to open this Google application, so you will have to search it for the app drawer or on a home screen. Then tap on the right upper corner and go into the settings. From here, you will have to scroll down and go to the Google Assistant. Now you will have to scroll down one more time and you'll have to open the general settings. Next, to turn it on, just click on the switcher, tap to turn on, and from here you've got the preferred input communication, so you can use keyboard or your voice. Next, when we go back, we can also find Hey Google and the voice match, and now you can actually set the Hey Google by clicking on the switcher, then scroll down and read the descriptions, click I agree, scroll down one more time and tap on it one more time. Now we have to say these comments. Okay Google, what is the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. And the last one. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. And now when it's finished, you will have to wait for the post-processing. And now click next. From here, you can also start saving your audio and the images on your device. So each time you say the voice comment into your Google Assistant, this voice will be saved into your Google account history. And now you can, for example, check what you were saying for like 5 or 8 years ago. That's kind of funny function. So you can click here or tap never. You have to choose one of the options, then scroll down and tap I agree. And as you can see right now, we can use this on our device. You can also quickly activate this function on other devices on the same account that you are actually logged in.